Is Clipchamp not working, loading, freezing, or crashing on your computer? These problems can be caused by an outdated browser or app, cached data, browser extensions, limited system resources, or project files that aren't loading correctly. In this guide, I'll show you several practical ways to fix Clipchamp not working in 2026. First, make sure you're using a supported and updated version of Clipchamp. Microsoft recommends using the latest version of Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome for the web editor. On Windows, you can also update the Clipchamp app through the Microsoft Store. If Clipchamp is stuck loading, start with a simple refresh. In your browser, reload the Clipchamp page and wait for the project to load again. If you're using the desktop app, close it completely and reopen it. If refreshing doesn't help, try clearing cached data. Old or corrupted cached files can sometimes cause loading and playback problems. Clear the cached images and files for your browser, restart the browser, and then open Clipchamp again. Browser extensions can also interfere with Clipchamp. Privacy tools, ad blockers, translation extensions, and similar add-ons can sometimes prevent the editor or media from loading correctly. Temporarily disable these extensions and reload Clipchamp. If Clipchamp is slow, freezing, or crashing, free up your computer's resources. Close unnecessary browser tabs and other applications, and keep Clipchamp in the foreground while you're editing. Video editing can use significant memory and graphics resources. Next, check your available storage. Clipchamp needs free space for temporary project files and video processing. If your drive is nearly full, remove unnecessary files or move large files to another location before trying again. If a project opens but your videos or images aren't loading, check that the original media files are still available. If you've moved, renamed, or deleted source files, Clipchamp may need you to locate them again. If Clipchamp still isn't working, try opening it in the latest version of Edge or Chrome, or switch between the browser version and the Windows app. This can help determine whether the problem is related to the browser or the application. Finally, restart your computer and try Clipchamp again. A restart can release system resources and clear temporary problems that may be affecting the editor. And that's how to fix Clipchamp not working in 2026. Update Clipchamp, refresh the editor, clear the cache, disable extensions, free up system resources, check your storage and project files, and try another supported browser or the Windows app. If the problem continues, Microsoft provides additional Clipchamp troubleshooting and support options. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.